Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the world around us, but what impact will it have on software engineering jobs? Will AI take away jobs or transform the nature of the work? In this video, we'll explore the impact of AI on software engineering jobs, discuss the current state of the field, and provide tips for staying ahead of the curve. It's true that AI is becoming more capable of automating certain aspects of software development, such as testing and debugging code. In fact, some companies are already using AI-powered tools to automate these tasks, which can save time and improve accuracy. However, it's unlikely that AI will completely replace the full range of skills and knowledge that a software engineer brings to the job. Software engineering is a complex field that requires not only technical skills, but also creativity, problem-solving abilities, and the ability to work collaboratively with others. These are all qualities that are difficult to automate with AI. Instead, AI is likely to change the nature of software engineering jobs by automating certain routine tasks, allowing software engineers to focus on more complex and high-level tasks. This could lead to a shift in the skills that are in demand in the field, with a greater emphasis on problem-solving, critical thinking, and collaboration. So, what can software engineers do to stay ahead of the curve in the age of AI? First, it's important to stay up to date with the latest developments in AI and how they may impact the field. This includes attending conferences, reading industry publications, and participating in online communities. Second, software engineers should focus on developing skills that are difficult to automate with AI, such as creative problem-solving and communication. These skills will be increasingly important as AI takes over routine tasks and software engineers are called upon to work on more complex and high-level projects. Finally, software engineers should embrace AI as a tool to help them work more efficiently and effectively. By using AI-powered tools to automate routine tasks, software engineers can free up time and energy to focus on more challenging and rewarding work. In conclusion, while AI is transforming many industries, including software engineering, it's unlikely to take away jobs altogether. Instead, AI is likely to change the nature of software engineering jobs by automating routine tasks and allowing software engineers to focus on more complex and high-level tasks. By staying up to date with the latest developments in AI, developing in-demand skills, and embracing AI as a tool, software engineers can stay ahead of the curve and thrive in the age of AI.